What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best microwave ovens in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save some money and still get a good product, we say look no further than the Black+Decker EM720CB7, the best affordable microwave oven in 2022. We're looking at a compact microwave oven with good capacity that works well for small families and smaller kitchen spaces. Surprisingly, it performs very well in all aspects, even with only 700 watts of power. Appliances are now largely made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel, as it brings an air of luxury to your kitchen. The Black+Decker EM720CB7 has a black exterior with a stainless steel frame surrounding it. Its strikingly compact appearance is certainly a standout feature. This Black+Decker oven model is available in 4 varieties. Looking at the smallest option, the one with 0.7 cubic feet, the device sports an exterior that is approximately 17 inches wide, 13 inches deep, and 10 inches high. If we subtract the measurements of the outer section, the interior is only 11 inches wide, 7 inches high, and 10 inches deep. Therefore, an 11 or 12-inch diameter dinner plate will not fit well inside the microwave, and you need it to tilt the board. This compact microwave oven with a sleek and shiny stainless steel frame is suitable for narrow kitchens, bedrooms, and small families. It's so compact that it can easily be placed on any work surface or kitchen cabinet in a small or medium-sized home. The device has all the standard options and plenty of preset options for quick cooking. Before moving on to the performance, let's take a look at the features. The 6 preset buttons are a lifesaver if you can't determine the cooking time or if you often prepare foods from a pre-programmed menu. The pre-programmed menu buttons can be used to bake potatoes, heat pizza, make popcorn, or heat tea, coffee, and soup. This Black+Decker oven has 10 power levels. Lower power levels can be used for keeping warm, gently defrosting, melting chocolate, curd cream, or making sauces. The inclusion of a safety feature such as a child safety lock makes a microwave more desirable. Although this is not a high-end microwave oven with sensor technology that measures the moisture level in the food and turns it off, it does have an alternate memory function. Save your favorite food setting, which you cook often, in the memory for later use. For the listed price, we're thoroughly impressed. Up next, we present to you the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS, also known as the best value microwave oven in the market in 2022. With a smart sensor, this device brings the convenience of heating all the popular foods such as vegetables, potatoes, and pizza. As a full-featured desktop microwave oven, the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS is a top-notch device wrapped in a modern, premium design that helps to enhance the interior of your kitchen. It also has easy-to-use features that make everyday food preparation more enjoyable. Not to mention that this unit has a Toshiba badge on the outside. With 10 power levels, the microwave oven can optimally heat certain foods. Now you can enjoy a variety of food with perfect taste, thanks to the wide cavities that support even heating and accept more loads. This device sports a premium design with a stainless steel finish. We love the simple yet elegant construction that allows the unit to blend well with the counter and interior. Also, the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS saves a lot of space, measuring 20.5 inches in width by 17.1 inches in depth and 12.8 inches in height. It's a smaller microwave oven equipped with a large touchscreen that includes several options, such as a microwave and preset sensor oven, as well as a numeric touch panel for entering the time. The device also has a clock, timer, and start-stop buttons. This microwave oven is equipped with a pre-programmed sensory menu that promises optimal heating. It allows you to heat popular foods such as vegetables, potatoes, and pizzas and give them the best taste. This sensor will detect the moisture in the food to prevent it from overcooking or burning. Now you can easily soften butter before breakfast or melt chocolate bars effortlessly. Thanks to the softening and melting function that works well for certain foods such as cheese, chocolate, marshmallows, butter, and even ice cream. There are 7 automatic menus with portion and weight indications so you don't have to guess. There is also a custom and automatic defrost option, perfect when you want to prepare a meat meal. Warming up popcorn has never been so easy. The microwave has a one-touch start that allows you to heat the popcorn to the right temperature and time. And finally, like other modern appliances, this microwave oven has an eco mode to support energy-saving campaigns. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, meet the Panasonic NN-SN686S, the best mid-range microwave oven in the market in 2022. We're looking at a countertop microwave oven that delivers top-notch cooking power giving you faster cooking times and food that tastes great every time. Whether you're looking for a microwave for your home or for a built-in microwave for the office, the NN-SN686S will deliver. The device offers 1,200 watts of high power to cook all kinds of food in seconds. The NN-SN686S model cooks evenly and maintains the natural flavors of food. There's no need to add more flavors. Your food will be constantly cooked from the inside out. In addition, it has unique built-in functions that are not present in other traditional microwave ovens, such as inverter technology, turbo defrost, and smart cooking. Unlike traditional microwave ovens that leave more space for electronics and less for cooking, the Panasonic NN-SN686S has a large capacity of 1.2 cubic feet. You can cook larger pieces of food and have room for large cutlery in the microwave. Inverter technology is another highlight of this model. It's a patented feature that allows this oven to create a seamless flow of energy to cook your food consistently and evenly. Say goodbye to overcooking. You can adjust the heat and cooking time based on the type of food you're cooking or reheating. Also, in addition to manually entering the number of minutes you want to cook your food, you can easily use the smart cooking settings to instantly cook your food according to 14 preset items. It's also a smart kitchen appliance with a genius sensor. Therefore, it may delay the start if the oven is not loaded and adjusted correctly. A special lock for children ensures the safety and prevents the oven from starting. It comes with an elegant and thin design that'll complement the modern style of your kitchen, and it's also very easy to clean. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Up next, we present to you this silver medal and the title of their runner-up Best Microwave Oven in the market in 2022, the Toshiba 7-in-1 Microwave. The model is compact and stylish. With its elegant design, the device easily fits into any kitchen, regardless of style. It has a power of 1250 watts, adjustable to 10 different levels, depending on the desired degree of cooking. Also, get ready to save on labor in your kitchen, because this microwave oven has another advantage: versatility. It can be used as an oven, defroster, or making yogurt and toast, and more. Also included in the mix is a smart humidity sensor, which adjusts the cooking time as well as the power. Also, this sensor will allow you to get evenly heated food without cold parts. Thanks to the rapid circulation of heat up to 360 degrees, this oven will reduce oils and fats, and at the same time, calories. The package comes with a baking tray, a basket for air frying, and 2 grids that you can use in order to obtain optimal results when frying. There are also combined modes that'll help you speed up cooking even more. This way, you'll get excellent crispy meals with a delicate texture and a nice brown color on the outside. In addition, the Toshiba 7-in-1 Microwave comes with a book that contains as many as 47 different recipes, the preparation of which you can enjoy. There are also 6 additional menus that are automatic, so that if you're a beginner, you can cook from home without fear. Also included in the mix are 5 settings for cooking with a sensor, 10 different menus for home baking, as well as 6 preset settings to defrost your food as easily and quickly as possible. The device has a size of 20.6 by 16.3 by 11.8 inches, while its weight is 36.9 pounds. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we've reached the gold medal and the title of the best overall microwave oven available on the market in 2022, and the winner is Breville Smooth Wave Microwave. This model uses sensor IK technology. It can automatically adjust the cooking power for even, accurate results. This makes it the most efficient model for reheating and defrosting food or meals. The device also includes an intelligent preset system to secure zero risk of overheating or drying out the edges. For a more comfortable and quieter use, the device is equipped with a soft closing door, which users highlight as a great advantage. The keys don't emit noise or beeps. Shortcuts and automatic settings are combined in one key. There is a shortcut panel on the inner door for quickly performing common tasks, such as reheating pizza slices, melting butter or chocolate, etc. If you want to extend the cooking or heating time, just press the dedicated button. You don't have to start a new cycle, which saves a lot of time. Also, note that this model has a locking button to ensure the safety of your children. The device will help you cook like a pro and at great value for money. Also included in the mix is the smart reheat technology, which will help you get maximum results in delicious meals, thanks to the setting of the ideal time for your meal, as well as the detection of released steam. You'll get evenly heated meals without cold parts and without overheating. There's also a smart child-proof lock, so you can rest easy. Thanks to automatic settings and shortcuts, you can perform your favorite tasks with just one touch, such as heating pizza and dough, softening butter, melting chocolate, and more. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best microwave ovens of 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.